Let us see this question. Find the step response of the following systems whose impulse responses are given by 1, 2, 3, 4. I have given 4 examples. So we want to find out the step response of these systems whose impulse responses are given. So let us see. As you know that, so what is impulse response? Impulse response of the system is represented with h of t. So we can see that, for example, if impulse response of the system is say h of t, let us say this is the input to the system. So what is the output of the system? We have given the formula x of t convolution with h of t. So this is a very, very important formula we are going to use now. Since h of t is given, the input is given, what is the output? Just a convolution of input and impulse response of the system. So let us see one by one the given problems. So what is h of t given? H of t is given as t into u of t. So what is the input given? The input we have to, because it is given that we have to find out the step response of the given systems. Step response means what is the input? The input to the system is u of t. So what is x of t to the system? X of t is nothing but as u of t to the system. So first let us write the formula. So that is y of t. So y of t is simply the input x of t convolution with h of t. So first let us write the formula. Integral minus infinity to infinity x of tau means u of tau into h of t minus tau, so that is t minus tau into u of t minus tau d tau. So as you have seen in the previous problems, u of tau multiplied with u of t minus tau. So we have to change the limits from 0 to t, which we have seen in the previous problems. So therefore this is t minus tau into d tau. So let us integrate this. In this t is a constant because integration is with respect to tau. T into tau minus tau square by 2. The limits are 0 to t. So if you substitute in place of tau t square minus t square by 2, the lower limit is 0, which will come out as t square by 2. So therefore for t greater than or equal to 0, you have to clearly mention for t greater than or equal to 0. So therefore you have to clearly write y of t is equal to t square by 2 into u of t. So this is the response of the system to the step. This is the step response of the system. Now in this way you can solve the rest of the problems. So what is the second one? The second one is given as h of t is equal to impulse response del of t minus del of t minus 1. So what is our step response? Y of t. What is input? Again input is x of t is equal to u of t. So what is our response? Y of t is equal to x of t convolution with h of t. So x of t is nothing but a u of t convolution with what is h of t? Del of t minus del of t minus 1. So just to take the distributive property, apply the distributive property u of t convolution with the del of t minus u of t convolution with the del of t minus 1. So in the previous class, properties of convolution, we have discussed this property. X of t convolution with the del of t is the signal itself. So use this property for these two terms. So therefore what is your y of t? I am writing again. Y of t is equal to u of t convolution with the del of t minus u of t convolution with the del of t minus 1. So what is the answer of this term? The answer of this term is u of t minus, so you can check that. So the answer of this is u of t minus 1. So just to substitute in this t minus 1 here. So or you can check the answer for this is separately, that is integral minus infinity to infinity u of tau, convolution formula, del of t minus tau minus 1 d tau. So where the impulse is existing at tau is equal to t minus 1, just to substitute t minus 1. So this is the answer. So this is the step response of the system. So this is the answer for this problem, the second one. So let us see the third one. So what is the impulse response given? H of t is equal to u of t plus 1 minus u of t minus 1. So to the system we are giving the input as unit step, that is u of t. So what is y of t formula response of the system? So x of t convolution with h of t. So just to substitute, what is x of t? U of t convolution with what is h of t? U of t plus 1 minus u of t minus 1. So let us separate u of t convolution with u of t plus 1 minus u of t convolution with u of t minus 1. Just write the convolution formula for both. Integral minus infinity to infinity u of tau into u of t minus tau plus 1 d tau. This is the first one, convolution formula. For this one, integral minus infinity to infinity u of tau, in this u of t minus tau minus 1 d tau. So as you know that you have to change the limits from 0 to tau is equal to t plus 1. So in this interval the multiplication of these two is 1, so which is come out as d tau. Similarly you have to change the limits of this from 0 to tau is equal to t minus 1. In this interval this multiplication of these two is 1 d tau, so which will come out as t plus 1 minus of t minus 1, which will come out as answer as 2. So this is the answer for this problem, step response. Let us do the last problem. So h of t, what is the impulse response is given? E power minus 3t into u of t minus e power minus 2t into u of t. This is the impulse response of the system. What is the input to the system? It is given as step u of t. What is the response of the system? The response of the system y of t, just x of t convolution with h of t. So just to substitute in this, what is x of t? U of t convolution with what is h of t? E power minus 3t minus u power minus 2t into u of t. Just apply the convolution formula. So that is integral minus infinity to infinity u of tau into what is the second function? The second function is e power 3 into t minus tau, e power minus 2 into t minus tau into u of t minus tau into d tau. So you can see that we have to change, because of this multiplication we have to change the limits from 0 to t. In this interval this multiplication is 1, so therefore you can separate this e power minus 3 into t minus tau minus e power minus 2 into t minus tau d tau. So let us separate these integrals, the answer will come. So let us separate these integrals. So for the first integral, e power minus 3t is constant, just take e power minus 3 outside. Integral 0 to t e power 3 tau d tau. So minus in the second integral, e power minus 2t is constant. So integral 0 to t e power 2 tau d tau. So just write e power minus 3t by 3. So e power 3 tau, just to substitute the limits 0 to t minus e power minus 2t by 2. So e power 2 tau, substitute the limits 0 to t. So let us substitute this. Let us find out the response. So therefore y of t is equal to e power minus 3t by 3. If you substitute the limits, e power 3t minus 1 minus e power minus 2t by 2. If you substitute the limits, e power 2t minus 1. So just to multiply this, so this will come out as first one. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into e power minus 3t. So this will come out as minus 1 by 2 minus into plus 1 by 2 into e power minus 2t for t greater than or equal to 0. You can see that the first term will come out as minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 into e power minus 2t minus 1 by 3 into e power minus 3t. You can also write this as y of t is equal to into u of t. So this is the answer how to find out the step response of the given system if the impulse response is given. So this is a very important question for competitive exams. Thank you.